In the previous video we have discussed illustration number 1 to 5. Now we are going to discuss illustration number 6. So the question is the data about the sale of the three grains flour, wheat, grain flour, wheat, bajri and chana at a flour mill from the year 2011 to 2015 are as follows. Compute the general index number using simple average with fixed base method, taking 2011 as the base year, and chain base method. Now we have to find fixed base method and chain base method. Method is the same, but we have to find through general index using the simple average method. Now first we will write the, as usual whatever we are doing like this only we have to do. First you have to write the formula, that is fixed base index number, value of the variable in current year upon value of the variable in the base year into 100. Then grain flour you have to write, wheat flour, bajri flour, chana flour, total and general index number of sale, that is total upon 3. That is the formula of general index number. Then the first column is of 2011. So see, in both the methods, first year, whatever will be the first year, that we will take as 100 only. Okay. Then 2012 means you have to go horizontally, not vertically. So 2011 will be 100. Then 2012, that is 46 upon 40 into 100. Then 2030, 50 upon 40 into 100. We will take fixed base. It is fixed base method. So 40 we will be taking 40. In 2000 in wheat flour. In 2011 40 is the fixed number, so we will take in 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 P0 as 40. Okay. Now bajri, first 2011 will be 100, then 2012, that is 30 upon 20. Here in all years 12, 13, 14 and 15 we will take P0 as 20. Right. So that's why I told you that you have to take horizontally, not vertically. Then chana flour, that also 2011 as 100. Then 2012, that is 64 upon 50, then 80 upon 50, then 96 upon 50, then 112 upon 50. Right. So in wheat flour, our base P0 will be 40, bajri flour P0 will be 20 and chana flour P0 will be 50. Okay. Now the total is, for 2011 total is 300, then 12 393, that is adding 115, 150 and 128, we will get 393, same as 2013, 14 and 15. Now you have to find general index number. So general index number is total upon 3. So total of 2011 is 300. So 300 divided by 3 is 100. Then 2012 is 393 divided by 3 is 131. Then 13 is 465 divided by 3 is 155. Like this you have to find. This is called the general index number. This is the method of general index number that will be clearly mentioned in the question, that by which method you have to do this sum. So same we have to do in chain base also. We have to make the same column. First you have to write the formula of chain base, then same columns, grain flour, year and everything you have to write. Grain flour is wheat flour, bajri, chana, then total, then will be aggregate index number. So same formula, aggregate index number or general index number, whatever you have, you can write anything. So it is total upon 3. Same method you have to use. Now in chain base method we are taking P0 as the preceding year's rate. Okay. So 2011, what I told you that we have to take 2011 always as 100 only. Then 2012, that is 46 upon 40. Then 2030, 50 upon 46. Then 14, 56 upon 50. Like this you have to take. Okay. And then each and everything whatever we have done in fixed base method, that will be the same. Okay. Understood?